Guys, welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm on the Harbor Freight website. I'm going to show you these summer super coupon deals. Now these are good through June 29th, and don't forget those dollar days are going to be good through June 18th. Now first up here we've got this McGraw 6-gallon 150 PSI oil-free pancake job site air compressor. This is pretty highly rated, coming in at 83 decibels and $109.99 for the final price. From Bauer, you've got this 20-volt cordless 18-gauge brad nailer at $79.99. This is going to be 20% off, or $20 off here. And this is an 18-gauge brad nailer, which can drive up to 60 nails per minute without a compressor. Now from Bauer, this is a 20-volt cordless 3/8 of an inch ratchet. This is the tool only. It's going to be $10 off, or 16% off. And this is going to provide you with 40 foot-pounds of max torque and 225 RPMs. You can get the 1/2 inch tool, but the 3/8 of an inch tool is the one that is on sale. You can see this one is $59 and this is the $49 deal. I would appreciate a like and a comment on this video. It does help the algorithm and my channel, guys. Now from Warrior is a security bit set with case. It's a 100-piece set for $7.99. You're going to get this at 20% off, and you can get up to 4 at this price. Now remember, you can take advantage of these online or in store unless it specifies otherwise. From Hercules, you're going to get this number 4 cobalt drill bit, or this number 5 bit. These are step bits, so you can drill whatever kind of hole you need. And these are going to get 3 times faster hole cuts and 4 times longer life, they're saying, with these super hard cobalt alloy step bits. Now for $27.99, this is going to be 20% off from Bauer. It's this 1600 watt, 12 amp, 14 temperature dual speed heat gun. This is pretty highly rated with over 1500 ratings, you can see. And this is hands-free actually. You can just set it up and put whatever you need to bend or move around it upside on top of it, because it has a flat base, it looks like. That's going to, again, going to be 20% off on this. Now from Hercules, this is 13 amp, 4.5 inch to 6 inch trigger grip angle grinder. This is going to be $79.99 or 20% off. And this delivers up to 10,000 RPMs, has the 2-position side handle, metal gear case, and the 3 tool-free guards, 4.5 inch, 5 inch, and 6 inch. And guys, let me know if you picked anything up during that parking lot sale, by the way. Now from Warrior, you have these SDS Plus type masonry flat chisel sets. It's 25% off at $14.99. And from Predator, you're getting this 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator for $449. It was $599, so you're going to be saving $150 here. They also have a no interest plan as well here, where I guess you sign up for their credit card. Now this has CO Secure Tech as well. So this is going to shut off when it does detect carbon monoxide for safety. Now if you need something a little bit more powerful, this is a 3500 watt super quiet converter with that CO Secure Tech for $699. This is going to be $100 off. It was $799. They do have the options for monthly payments on this one too. Now this is a new product from Predator. It's a 100 watt super lightweight foldable solar panel. It's $114.99. It's $15 off, so nothing crazy. But it's easy to set up, and it says connect to power stations, great for outdoor use, and it can actually fold up. In a second I'll show you a picture of someone carrying it here with it folded up. And it's saying it has little stands as well. You can set it up when you're getting the sun to charge it too. Now from Bauer, this is the 23-foot automatic feed handheld electric drain cleaner for $89.99. If you're going to be a landlord or someone that needs to, a plumber or something like that, this can definitely come in handy for those deep clogs. We've had to deal with something like this, and it ended up being something under a laundry room, but the issue was actually from her sink 50 feet away. So this could definitely come in handy. It's going to be 10% off. You can get 2 at this price. Now from Drummond is this 3/4 horsepower non-submersible Supermax 1-inch transfer pump for $139.99. This is going to be $20 off. And this is 50% lighter, and it says it delivers 25% more flow and 10% higher lift than the other standard 1-inch gas clean water pumps. Now from Pittsburgh is this titanium nitride coated alloy steel metric tap and die set. This is a 45-piece set. and has the titanium nitride coating, and that's for extended life. This is going to be 22% off. It's $64, I believe. Now from Icon, this is the 3/4 of an inch drive 100 to 600 foot pro click torque wrench, 5-star ratings, 25 ratings. This is going to be $50 off. It was $3.99, now it's $3.49. Now from Pittsburgh, you're getting this 1/4 inch drive metric socket set. This is a 21 piece set. Definitely could come in handy. It's 33% off at $9.99, and this includes the ratchet and as well as the most popular size sockets. And you can actually get up to 4 at this price. So if you want to stock up or get one for yourself, one for your dad, one for your brother, you can certainly do that. This also comes with a nice case. Now from Quinn, you're getting this metric flare nut wrench set. This is a 5-piece set, highly rated. It's 17% off, and it's going to be $32.99. And this is definitely going to help grip and remove those fasteners without really rounding off with this flare nut wrench set. And it does come in with a nice holder. You can put this on your pegboard or just lay it down in your garage. Now from Doyle, you're getting this 9.5-inch wire crimping tool for $12.99. Was $14.99, so this is going to be 13% off here. And you can get up to 3 at this price. And it is a 2-in-1 die tool as well, by the way. From Pittsburgh, you're getting this DIY tool set. It's a 60-piece set for $19.99. This is 20% off. And this is ideal for kind of just around the house projects, some DIY stuff. Something you can take with you if you need to do a quick repair. And it just comes out with everything pictured. The hammers, the different pliers, a nice little level. As well as one thing I like is has the mini like screwdriver and the mini flathead as well if you're working on small things. Now from Pittsburgh, this is a bad picture, but it's a 36-inch jumbo pry bar. This is 16% off at $14.99, but they use like a little gift picture. I'm not sure why. From Pittsburgh, you're getting this 1/4 inch steel letter number stamping set. This is a 36-piece set for $9.99 at 23% off. Now from Braun is this 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic light. This is going to be 20% off at $23.99, and this can actually deliver over 20 hours of light. So it's rechargeable. This is great for plumbing or automotive work. You can see how they're using it under the trunk or the hood of the car. They're just propping it up on something metal, and it has that magnetic base, so you're not going to have an issue. We really love these Armstrong 23-inch to 65-inch single stud TV motion mounts. These are 57% off, guys, $14.99. So all these require are a single stud, or you can even use these in a corner, which is really nice if you have limited space. And we have one of these. You can buy up to 3 at this price, and this is over half off, 57% off. This is a really good deal. I might actually pick one of these up. So you can see, you can move these all around in any angle, and they're not moving anywhere just because they're on a stud, obviously. 25 foot by 16 and 3 gauge indoor extension cord for $7.99. This is a 3-pack padlock set, $3.99 at 33% off. So that's pretty good. You might expect to pay $3.99 for like 1 or 2 in like a retail store, so that's not bad. 69 cents for some scissors, guys. Can't do much better than that. You can throw these in your junk drawer, put them in your toolbox. Pretty multi-purpose scissor here. Now from Braun, again, this is the 750 lumen, so pretty powerful LED portable work light with rotating handle and stand. Now this is not going to get hot. Remember the old halogen ones that you had, and you would be painting a room and you bumped into that halogen light. This is only $9.99 at 33% off, and you can hang these up. They are portable, and they're not going to really burn you like that other light that we used to use in the 80s and 90s. Now from Grant's, this is a 1200 watt handheld steam cleaner at $29.99. I really like to use these for automotive detailing. Just make sure you use that little cleaner pad, and you'll be able to get stains out of the seats for sure that you weren't able to get out with anything else or any chemicals. They're using this on a kitchen on top of the counters. I haven't done that, but I guess that'll work as well. Now, if you need something with a little more wattage, this is the Central Machinery 1500 watt steam cleaner kit for $99.99. That's going to be $30 off. Now, Pittsburgh has this 300 pound capacity low pro Creeper in black. It does come in, I think, white, blue, and green as well, and this is going to be $32.99 or 17% off. And guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. I am making this video because the website was actually glitching. Sometimes if you wouldn't go on it, it would not load. So I figured this would help if you were having issues with the website. And again, go ahead and like the video and leave a comment. It does help my channel and the video. Now this from Hercules is a 17-inch tool tote with 19 pockets. This is not going to rip. It's got heavy-duty stitching and great performance here. At $27.99, it was $36.99 at 24% off. Now from Hallmaster, you're getting these 10-inch pneumatic tires with white hub. So these would be great if you're replacing something on your wheelbarrow or small craft here. $5.99, 33% off, and you can get up to 4 at this price, by the way. And next up from Hardy, we've got these A5 cut-resistant work gloves. So the nice thing about these are they have those nitrile palms, so you're not going to be cut on those. They give you that extra protection on your fingers and your palms where you're kind of touching whatever you are touching that could be cutting you. $349 at 36% off on those. This is a Predator gas-powered earth auger for $199. That's going to be $25 off here, and this can actually be operated by one person. Now next up from Predator, you've got this 6.5 HP 212cc chipper and shredder for $479. Using the coupon, that's going to be $120 off. So you can use one of these coupons at a time. This is actually going to be in-store only, and this is going to be available online by July 30th. This is great to get rid of all that if you have shrubs in your yard or things like that. Portland, you're getting the 1750 PSI 1.3 gallon per minute corded electric pressure washer for $79.99. It was $89.99. So this could be good for medium-sized work around your house, getting rid of that extra dirt. Now with spring and summer here, you're getting this Greenwood trigger spray nozzle. Say your handle's fallen off or it's not working, you can just pick one of these up. $3.99. This is going to be 20% off, and you can get up to 4 at this price online or in store. Now Greenwood, again, you're getting this 2-gallon home and garden sprayer. You can put bug killer in this, weed killer, whatever you need to. $11.99. This is going to be 25% off, and you can get up to 3 at this price. Now Merlin, you're getting this 50-foot premium rubber air hose for $32.99. This is 13% off. It was $37.99. You can get up to 2 with this coupon. And this hose has a textured spiral wrap for better grip. Now Central Pneumatic has this 32-ounce siphon feed spray gun at $26.99. This is going to be 32% off with their deal here. And Banks now has this 2-in-1 flooring air nailer and stapler. I haven't seen a coupon on this yet. It's $129.99 at $30 off. And with this, you can use flooring staples or the flooring cleats. So it's a 2-in-1 tool, which is really nice at a fairly decent price. Now this is a pistol grip tire inflator with dial gauge. $7.99. It was $9.99, so you're saving $2 here, or 20% off, and it has that nice bright gauge so you can see what you're doing. Now from Daytona, you're getting these 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. Now this is slate gray, but it comes in, I think, 8 or 9 different colors at 40% off. It's going to be $29.99. Originally, it was $49.99. And here you're getting the 2 sets, and you can get up to 2 with this coupon. This is a battery-operated liquid transfer pump for $749. This is 44% off. You can get up to 4 with this price. And here you can pump 5 to 6 quarts of fluid per minute with this. Pittsburgh has this 2-ton compact trolley jack. So it has the nice wheels on these. You can store, and it's easy to use. Now remember, you can always go down to the product overview and customer reviews just to read the reviews if it's something you're seriously consider buying. Daytona has this 1,300-pound capacity self-loading positioning wheel dolly for $99.99. You're saving $30 with this coupon, and it has a built-in jack for self-loading operation as well, which is nice. They also have a video here of it up on the stands with how you actually load it up, which is pretty helpful. Pittsburgh has this brake bleeder and vacuum pump kit if you're a DIY mechanic or an actual mechanic for $19.99. And they also have this 6-inch magnetic parts holder which you can actually put on its side like this to hold parts, if you're confident in that. Hallmaster also has a 1,000-pound capacity, 1.5 inch by 10-foot ratcheting tie down for $399. This is going to be 42% off, so a really good deal on that. You can get up to 4. Again, come down here. You can always check the customer reviews. And this can hold up to 1,000 pounds, so over twice as much as their orange tie downs. Now, Syntec has this 12-volt automatic battery charger with engine jumpstart feature. $149.99. This is $10 off. It was $159. And this is great if your car has some kind of parasitic leak. You can go ahead and charge it up, and if you definitely need to, you can jumpstart it with this. Now, this is the Viking microprocessor battery charger. It does not have the jump starter feature, I don't believe, on this, but you can charge your battery. $59.99. It was $69.99 here. And this is great, again, if your car works on all kinds of 12-volt car batteries and uses smart tech, so it's not going to overcharge your car battery, so you don't have to worry about that. And if your car is frequently dying, this may be something that might be helpful. From Hallmaster, this is a solid rubber wheel chock for $4.99 to keep your vehicle in place when you're doing some maintenance. It's usually $7.99 or 37% off. Now, there are a ton of super coupons for June. I was really surprised, and they're not half bad either. A lot on some different tools. And this is a 2-shelf utility cart, $20 off. This is going to be $30 off this 56-inch by 22-inch work center hutch. And they also have these items down here. There's a 30-bin wall mount parts rack for $14.99. That's 25% off. And then this 4-inch stacking tilt bin, if you want to put some small parts in this, for $1.49. That's half off at 50% off. And then they've got this socket rail set, which is a 3-piece set, 30% off at $3.49 to put all your sockets on. I think it's magnetic as well. But guys, I would definitely recommend checking these deals out. They also have dollar deals, instant savings deals, but these are going to be good through June 29th. So go ahead and check these out. I hope this video helped because the website was glitching and it was hard to check out.